Hey guys, welcome to the channel Silverstone's POV, and thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I would like to show you how to reset the maintenance light on the 2019 Toyota RAV4 after changing engine oil about 4.5 liter with 0.16, and after we done the work, got a sticker in, and now going to start the engine. And on the steering wheel on the left side you can see the up and down arrow, left and right, and OK, and the return arrow. So we can use the arrow on the right side. So to bring it to the setting, and use the down arrow, bring it down to vehicle setting, and press and hold for 2 seconds on the OK in the center, and click on OK again and hold it for 2 seconds, and you can see reset data, and use the up arrow, bring it to yes, and press and hold the OK, and you can see reset complete. And you can use the back arrow to bring it back, and the left arrow to bring it back to the odometer. Yeah, that's it, just like that. Very easy and simple. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and please like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.